Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Tech channel ATC, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can blink an LED with the help of a Raspberry Pi. So I've connected the LED to the GPIO 21 of the Raspberry Pi, but you can connect it to wherever pin you want. And so right now, as you can notice, I'm not using a resistor because this LED can tolerate the 5-volt voltage which the Raspberry Pi is giving. So I recommend you to use a resistor, but for me it's not needed right now. So let us go to our computer screen and see the code. So here I've connected a Raspberry Pi to VNC viewer, as you can see, and if you don't know how to install a headless version of Raspberry on the Raspberry Pi, just go ahead and check out my previous video where I explained how to enable SSH and VNC on the Raspberry Pi. So here I've written a Python script to the Raspberry Pi, and as you can see I'm using Tony as my editor, but you can use Genie and any editor you want. So now let's go to the code, and here first line is from GPIO0 import LED. So I'm importing the GPIO0 module or the library and importing LED. Then from time I'm importing the module sleep. So that's the importation, all the libraries we need in our code. Then next up, here we have created a variable named LED. So then we are defining the pin of the our LED which we have connected. As I said, I've connected the LED to the pin number 21. Then we're creating a while true loop where our code will be running continuously until I press the stop button or click Ctrl+C. So it will be running continuously until I don't stop the code. This is a while true loop, and inside this loop I'm writing the code led.on. So if this will turn on the LED, then after 1 second it will turn off the LED. Then after waiting for 1 second, and it will just run the code again by turning on the LED using the same code and turning off it again and turning on it again after a second. So let me just stop this code and let me show you my Raspberry Pi. So here, as you can see, when I stop the code, the LED stopped blinking. So now let me run the code. 3, 2, 1. So here is the code running. LED is blinking, connected to a Raspberry Pi. And if you want the code which I have written, it will be available in my description. You can just go ahead and check it out, and please make sure to support me by buying me a coffee. Link is also in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.